Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. I'm Kenya with BK Trading Academy, where we help new and struggling traders learn how to trade with structure and guidance so that you guys start the right way, you have a breakthrough, and you trade confidently. In today's video, we're going to go over analysis of EURNZD. I'm going to give you my perspective and show you where this trade is headed. And good news, if you look at my last analysis on GBP USD, it is moving right according to our prediction. And so many of you have messaged already showing me the profit that you're in. So congratulations on that one. I am super excited for you and glad to see that it's moving well on a Monday. So let's go ahead and hop in. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and you all do me a favor and smash the like button on this video. Thank you so much. And I know you are ready to hear the analysis, so let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah, I know I got problems, and I don't know where to go. I don't want to put the blame on you.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the monthly and get an overall feel for what the price action is doing. So would you say that this trend is upward or downward or sideways, or it's just doing a little bit of everything, right? We went up, we broke higher, created a new high, came back down. We then came back and retested our previous support, then pushed up, broke lower. So thought we might have been pushing up, but then we're pushing lower. We pushed up, pushed lower. So we might have been creating a downtrend here, and then whoop, our lows got higher, and then the price started going higher. So right now, the price action looks a little bit all over the place to me. But one thing that I can see on this monthly is that the price is rising overall. So that's going to help me with my bias as I continue to move lower. So now that I see that price is rising, I'm going to go down to the weekly time frame. And this is where I'm going to start focusing on my levels more. If I know that I'm in an uptrend, I definitely want to find where are the swings that stick out to my naked eye. And one thing that I can see is that we just formed a resistance here at about 1.8077, and the market rejected to the downside. But we do have a resistance ahead here where if overall we are still bullish and the price keeps rising, I believe we could get back to that area. So I'm going to find a level above price, and then I want to find a level below price. So I can see right now that this is our current weekly low at 1.7548. But before that, this was our low here at 1.7408. And one thing I do like about that area is that it lines up with the previous structural turning point in the market, which was quite forceful resistance where the market rejected to the downside back in February of 2022. You can see here that we also have overextended double bottom here on the weekly. We broke above the neckline here at about 1.6900 or so. We pushed up, and then the market gave us about a 50% correction and then continued to move higher. So we definitely are bullish overall. And for that reason, I believe that we should continue to look to go long. Now, if we go down to the daily, now we can see on the daily time frame what's going on here. So on the daily, look how I pointed out that double bottom on the weekly, and you can see that we had a nice forceful rise breaking above our resistance here at 1.7542. And after an impulse, you logically want to see a correction. So if I measure from the low of the impulse to the high of the impulse, you'll see that price is rejecting off the 618 fib, and then it continued to push higher. So one of the things that I'm seeing right now is a bullish flag formation, okay? And we want to see if price is going to break out of this bullish flag. So what should we do right now? What is our trading opportunity? Well, in my opinion, this is where we're holding our strong daily support. So previous resistance became future support. So if we get a retest back into that support, if we continue to trade within the bullish flag correction, I will look to possibly go long from this area of support. Okay. And we know overall we are bullish on this daily time frame, and we have an impulse right here to the upside. Now, in the short term, this is where the market is headed. So if we break out of this bullish flag, this is going to be the next resistance that the market will get to. So right here at about 1.7814 or 15, that is where the market will get to. And we possibly could see it push higher to about this 1.8065 area. So until that happens, what we need to do is monitor first to see what the price action will do. It's really early in the week, but we also have an area of resistance that's been tested here multiple times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it's been tested. And in the past, it has been an area of resistance and also support. So we want to see if price is going to break above 1.7631. If we do that, what I'd like to see is that we get a clear breakout, a potential retest, and more growth to the upside to target the 1.7808 level. Okay, so that is my analysis on EURNZD. Overall, I have a long bias and I'd like to see the pair continue to move higher. What we don't want to do is we don't want to react too early without confirmation. So we need to wait and let the price come back to us. Now that I have my levels, I actually could continue to drill lower, and I can find an opportunity also on the lower time frame. So I can go down, for example, to the 8-hour. And now you can see on the 8-hour, we pretty much have a bearish trend. So right now, I think that the price will possibly go down, or it's going to break out of this consolidation here. So look where the market is consolidating right here on the intraday 8-hour time frame. We need to see what's going to happen, and it's too early in the week to do that. So what I recommend is hold tight, don't do anything too soon if you are going to short while price stays under this 50-period moving average, because here's that flag on the daily, which is also our trend on the 8-hour. So this is our bearish trend on the 8-hour, or our channel, and we would be selling from an area of resistance, and we would take profit at the middle of the channel. So look how fitting this is. If you had sold here, you could have taken profit right here, because this is where the market reversed multiple times. And look, in the same area where it was support, it was also resistance. So that is how you can figure out your take profit targets. Now we're going to wait and we're going to let the price either come back to this support here at about 1.7400 zone. Okay. And if that happens, then we can look for a potential long opportunity. But we want to make sure that if we go long, that we're going long with confirmation. Now, right now, price is trading right below my 50-period moving average and wicking off the area. But I do feel that signs are pointing to price moving upwards. So what I'm going to be looking for is a breakout above 1.7643. And if I do get a breakout, then I'm going to be looking to take EURNZD to the upside, right to the top of our flag channel, right here at about 78.17, 1.7817. So that is the next resistance that we're targeting. And again, if the price does fall, it's going to come back to 1.7533, the middle of the flag, or we're going to see it get back to support here. So comment below and let me know if you have any questions. What I would do is monitor the levels that I just gave you, so you have your dynamic resistance and your dynamic support, and just stay patient and watch what the price does. If you're a breakout trader, you're going to be looking for a breakout above 1.7638. We don't want a false breakout, so preferably we'd like to see a break, a potential retest of the area, and more growth to the upside. All right, I hope you found this analysis helpful. What I want you to do is comment below and let me know what questions you have and also what pair you'd like to see next. I know someone requested gold. I have a gold analysis coming up, but in the short term, make sure that you like this video, you subscribe so that you don't miss the next upload. Check out our Telegram, and also make sure you're following us on TradingView if you want to get all of our ideas. We publish a lot on TradingView as well as YouTube, but you'll follow our daily content on TradingView, which you get those updates a lot quicker. So hope you enjoyed this analysis. Keep up the great trading. And if you are a new or struggling trader, I encourage you to check out the Academy. You will love it. We have an awesome community, tons of hands-on help, and we're always here to support you. We're very personal in our Academy. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Stay safe and have a great trading week.
Yeah, I know I got problems, and I don't know where to go. I don't wanna put the blame on you.